Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. I am in Office Depot getting some flyers put together. As you can see right here, I just got, what is this, 1,000 of my flyers right here, Office Depot. As you can see, here's the box. Okay, I get a good deal here at Office Depot. And I'm putting some flyers together to be dropped in the mail. This is all you do, guys. All you need to do is take this flyer, okay? Take this flyer and put it in this number 10 envelope, okay? That's all you gotta do, okay? And drop them in the mail. Now I'm giving away leads to everybody that joins at level 2 and higher, okay? So let me show you. Hang on a second here. I'm going to show you this is real affordable for everybody to get started, guys. Okay, take a look at this. 89 bucks you can get started. Okay, and here's the commissions. So everybody that come in at level 2 or higher, which is 250 or higher, I'm going to give you leads, 200 leads to get started. And look at the commissions you can make. Okay, not to mention you're gonna make money on overrides. For everybody you sign up, when you sign up someone, you're gonna get these indirect sales. That's overrides, okay? So as you can see here, there's 30 bucks. In the overrides, you make 20, you make 100, you make 50, 400, 200. You see these commissions, and we get overrides, okay? Not to mention the company is going to pay for your advertising, guys. That's unheard of in any online business. Okay? So they're going to pay for your advertising. And they offer a 90-day money-back guarantee. Okay? No one does that. Okay? So they're going to do that for you. So get started with me in this program. I'm going to put a link below so you can go through my funnel as well. And you can request a flyer, and I can get you on my team and get you started. I've been in direct mail successfully since 2013, okay? So I know this niche, you know, inside out. So that's how I got the name, the Postcard Diva. So in this business, though, we're doing the flyers, okay? Same concept, just drop them in the mail, but the key is you've got to have the right mailing list, okay? The company will also do mailings for you. That's optional. If you like, they can do mailings for you, and they're getting a 3 to 8% response rate, okay? Because they know who to mail these to, okay? But if you want to do it on your own, which is fine, that's what we do. I have several mailing list sources that I will share with you, but I'm going to give you 200 leads to get you started if you come in at that level 2 or higher, okay? So go ahead and click the link below, subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Go ahead and like the video and reach out to me. Let's talk about it. But request your flyer today and go ahead and get started, guys. It's a win-win. You have nothing to lose, okay? Because they're going to do your first advertising campaign for you. That's the letters. They're going to mail out everything. The stamps, everything's included, okay? So get started today. No talking to anyone. They have a professional customer service center that's going to close your sales for you. So you're not going to have to talk to anybody. There's no website for this, okay? It's strictly offline. Now, for you people that want to do online, you can do that too. We'll talk about that later. But to just drop these flyers in the mail and get paid, this is the way to go. No talking, no computer, zero internet marketing required, okay? So let's get you started making these commissions, okay? You can do this, guys. You just have to stick to it, and we're gonna be working as a team. Because think about it, my name is gonna be on every one of your flyers, and then everybody you sign up, your name is gonna be on their flyer. So every time they get paid, you get paid, okay? And you even get paid if someone comes in at the higher levels, okay? Because as it shows you here, you see the levels. Even if you come at a lower level, you're still gonna make the commission at the level you're at, okay? So let's say you came in at level 2, somebody came over your head at level 3, so you would make $100 on level 2. So instead of you making the 400 on level 3, you still will make 100. So it's a win-win. That's what I like about this program, okay? You will not lose the entire sale. You would at least get some money at the level that you're at, okay? So get started with me today, all right? Subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, and we'll see you on the inside. You guys have a blessed day.